Good morning, Year 5. So today we are carrying on with our percentages and decimals, and we're recognizing that percentage sign and where it needs to come in the number sequence and solving problems around percentages. So our anchor. So we looked at this yesterday and we need to work out what each square means. So knowing that we have our 10 by 10 grid, okay, here, each one is a 10 by 10. We can work out what percent each one is. For example, here, instead of counting each one, like I said yesterday, we are going to count in rows of 10. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I've got 60, and that would be, so 60 squares out of 100 equals 60%. Okay, that's A. Here, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares out of 10 equals 60%. Okay. D, we've got 60%. So straight away, I can see B is the odd one out. I can't leave my answer just as B because I need to explain my reasoning. So here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61 squares, and that equals 61%. Okay, so 61%. So my odd one out is B because that is 61%, as the rest of the other three options are 60%. So let's have a look at a few more questions. So in each box, write the percentage represented by the grids below. So again, here we just got 10, so it's over 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 over 10. Okay. Also, what would that be as a percentage? I know some of you would say, right, 5%. But remember, a percent is over 100. So if you're going to do it that way, you times that by 10, that by 10. So it is 50%. Okay. 50 is 20% sign, 50%. And then we've got here, order the values from largest to smallest by placing the letters in the boxes below. So here, parts. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 that are already parts of. Okay. Now I would make out the rest of them to be parts of as well, so I can see. Okay. So this would be 38 parts of 100 because 38% is out of 100. This one's 7 parts of 10. I'm going to make it out of 100. So 70 parts out of 100. The C, and then D, 90 parts of 100, and E will be again out of 10, so times that by 10, and that's 50 parts. Okay, I can then order them from largest to smallest, and I just need to write the letters. Okay, don't need to write the question, just the letters. So the largest one is 91, so it'd go F. Then it would go to D. Then it would go to, let's have a look, 70 parts. So C. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross those ones out because then I know I've done F, C, and D, just to make it a bit easy for myself. And I'm not having to look at those three again. Then I can see A, E, and then B. Okay, so that's how you would work those sort of questions out. Cross those out so I know I've done those three as well. Then your next task. Okay, so your task today is sheets here, so problem solving sheets. If you can print them, that'd be brilliant. And your bronze and silver, if you do task 1, page 1, and then task 2, pages 1 and 2. If you're gold, you're doing task 1, page 2, task 2, pages 2 and 3. So everybody is completing 3 pages of work today. Hope that all makes sense. You'll all be amazing at it as well. Keep going, guys.